what you feel is something you have to prove to yourself once more. So medyo broad yun, but internally, what you feel is there's something na parang nalalabas mo ba? Is there something you want to prove to yourself once more?
Yes, in every show or movie that you do, you try to prove yourself to yourself, not to your audience. It's something, as an artist, it's very important na you don't stop learning. So at least now, meron tayong Netflix, meron tayong YouTube, may mga K-dramas, and you get to watch and you get to see na nag-iiba yung gusto ng tao. And you get to learn certain techniques and na-apply mo sa bagong role mo. Thank you so
My
much.
last question. Medyo broad to, but how does it feel to be back on primetime television?
Up to now talaga, parang feeling ko, parang nasa langit ako ngayon. I'm really happy, excited, very nervous. I feel really great kasi sa totoo lang, working with new actors and new actresses, kasi ang dami-dami nila na ngayon na hindi mo kakilala, hindi mo kilala, or makita mo, napapanood mo sa TV, tapos sabi mo, minsan kina-question mo yung sarili mo, marunong ba sila umarte? Parang ganon. Kasi ang dami nila, so hindi mo matandaan minsan yung pangalan. And then, when I started working with them, nakita ko na yung depth at saka yung hunger nila na ay, itong mga to, ano to, may mararating to. And also, I think yung pinaka talaga, ang isa pa sa mga highs ko dito sa Lovers Liars is, this is my first time to work with Miss Rosel, with Regal Films. And I'm really thankful, and sa GMA also, kay Sir Joey for, thinking for getting me to do the role. Pero ang pinaka talaga high ko sa lahat is to see my assistant director be the director that he is now. Yun ang pinaka-happiest ko. Yun ang pinaka talaga achievement ko dito sa Lovers and Liars. At sinabi ko direct, hindi kita, I will not let you down. Thank you so much.
Kwentuhan namin si Azor kanina. So, kinuwento niya yung magkakaroon, yung plot dito, magkakaroon ng relationship, secret affair with Claudine. So, Claudine, sabi kasi ni Azor, chinismis niya na sa akin. Pag tinititigan ka daw niya, parang natutulala siya. May ganun siyang something para sa'yo. So, yun, comment na lang Claudine. Sabi, working with somebody, as Yasser, hindi naman siguro ito yung first time mo to work with somebody na mas bata sa'yo, di ba? Pero ito parang mas mas batang-bata talaga.
Oo, kasi nung ginawa ko in Dubai, si John Lloyd ang ko. So, mas bata sa akin ng sobra si John Lloyd. So, si Yasser pa kaya, parang ka-age lang yung mga pamangkin ko. Parang yung boys kong pamangkin. Natutuwa ako kasi alam ko yung feeling when I was starting, tapos may makakaharap ka na veteranong actress or malaking artista, talagang nakaka-starstruck, nakaka-nervyos. Parang you have to up your game all the time. And kaya nga I make sure to make them feel comfortable. Lalo pa kasi yung mga eksena namin ni Yasser, lagi ako masungit, lagi ako pero hindi siya, nakita ko yung talent agad sa kanya. For some reason, sa dami siguro ng mga nakatrabaho kong magagaling na artista. Like what I said, nakita ko talaga na meron siyang talent talaga. Hindi, yung magaling siya talaga. Parang lahat nga sila, like what I said, malaki talaga ang mararating, malayong mararating.
Okay. Reaction naman dyan, Yasser. May mararating ka. May challenge ka.
Malaki talaga.
Malaki.
Thank you, Miss Cloud. Thank you, Lord. So,
Sobra po akong natutuwa po talaga. So yung first scene namin ni Miss Glau, yung sinasabi ko direct kay Shai na ang dami ko nararamdaman, kinakabahan ako, pinapawisan yung kilikili ko, yung mga kamay ko, tapos kinikilig ako, no, parang pinakuryente, hindi ko maintindihan talaga. Kaya sobra pong ang laking achievement po nitong role na to. And syempre, to be paired with Miss Claudine, sobra po akong nagpapasalamat. In 27 years ko dito sa buhay, ito po yung pinakamalaking role na nabigay po sa akin. Kaya thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes,
Last, nakuna na ba yung yung singin yung dalawa?
Na mga intimate scenes,
Yes.
wala pa.
Wala
Hindi
pa.
Oo.
So mas papawisan siya.
Ako rin yata. Mas ako yata.
So that was extremity.
Di ba child abuse na yun?
Well, to be consent naman. Over 20 naman na yata si Yaso. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Excited, sobrang happy po. Dati ko lang po napapanood si Miss Claudine. Ngayon nakaka-work ko na po siya. Naalala ko yung first day na ka-eksena ko si Miss Claudine. I remember we were throwing lines and napatulala po talaga ako, na starstruck ako. And there was also a time where I didn't know how to speak to Miss Claudine. I also didn't know how to act around her. But when she started talking to me, I felt so much more comfortable. Sobrang caring niya po and thoughtful. And I'm so excited to be doing more scenes with Miss Claudine and everybody else. Everybody here is so talented. I'm so thankful and grateful for everyone. Miss Rosel and Sir Joey as well.
At saka alam nyo, June, si Sarah, nung sumalang, talagang nagulat ako. Meron talaga siyang it eh. Meron siyang aura na artista to.
Magaling talaga siya. Favorite siya ni Mr. Sende.
Grabe, sinabi mo talaga.
Hindi, galing sa Mr. Sende sa kanya.
Meron, I can see now.
Diba?
Totoo yun.
At least nakita mo na kung bakit favorite siya.
Oo,
diba?
siya at saka si Shaira nakatrabaho ko
Shaira
na,
Diaz.
yes, naka-eksena ko. So sabi ko nga na ang daming bago ngayon, pero hindi, marami lang sila. Ilan lang yung marunong talaga umarte. Ito na yun.
Oo.